Hi, my name is Julie Bacon. I'm Chief Flight Nurse at All Children's Hospital in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're out here in Citrus County today doing a survival skills training day for the All Children's Hospital flight team. Our flight team is medical crew that goes out to hospitals in the surrounding area, usually small hospitals where they have a really sick kid or baby, and we bring them back to our hospital for care. Now this can be by ground, can be by helicopter, even by fixed wing. Here in Citrus County, we fly a lot into Citrus County, maybe 4 or 5 times a week. Now, as we're flying over, we look down and we see this beautiful swampy area, but a lot of our team has either come from up north, never had a chance to be out into the country here. So it's really important that in the unlikely event that we had to set down out here, that we know what's out in the swamp, and more importantly, safety is a huge thing for us. So we carry on ourselves a safety kit, but it's real important that we know how to use that. So today we're going to go out into the swamp with the help of the Citrus County Air Boating, and we're going to take our safety kits and we're going to make sure we know how to use them.
This would be very educational for anyone that's in flight, in case the helicopter goes down or anything like that, and can't get out of the woods. They need to figure out how to survive, spend the night until help comes, and at least they can build little chateaus or little things for survival to get out of the weather and stuff like this, and maybe build a campfire or whatever. At least try to survive a day or two till they can be found.
All my buddies, the air boaters, coming out today, taking the flight nurses and paramedics and stuff from All Children's Hospital. We're going out and try to teach them something. We don't know what we can teach them, but we could survive a night, so maybe they'll be able to survive a night when we're done.
Super excited! Cry for help and SOS at the last minute.
We were just writing like our last will and testament, you know, leaving everything to no one. I don't know who wants my stuff.
Lugaloo.
You guys have no idea how much we appreciate everybody taking the day off.
Not going to be using it.
We're super excited.
I'm nervous.
We're good.
Real good.
We're all comfy and sweaty.
We leave today is start a fire, small, that we will put out later, and build a shelter. Want you to find kindling. If you have a question on any of that, it isn't a test. So grab one of us and we can help you do that. I'm one trip.
Number one.
We're gonna be fooled.
We're dead. We're gator. We're gonna be the next meal.
Are on our way to Citrus. The team experiences a hard landing in a remote part of the swamp. You have no cell service and are unsure when search and rescue will locate you. In the meantime, you assume the worst and begin to put your survival plan in place. Your mission is to consider your priorities: fire, visibility, shelter, water. And then we need to build a fire using matches, fire using magnesium, build a shelter, and evaluate what is in your survival pack.
Alright, what's in here? I feel like it's Christmas Day.
I feel like it's Doomsday.
Alright, what is this?
Oh, glow sticks.
Glow sticks.
We're gonna need those later.
Might need those for later.
I want that knife.
Here, I'm gonna give, no, I'm letting him in charge of the knife.
Depending on what you guys want to do, this tree already comes out. We could build up off of this, make a little tripod type thing to get in underneath there, at least so you'd be out of the weather.
I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna take the drug bags. You're gonna find me close to the aircraft, high as a kite, probably peed on myself.
Lashings, or we have brick or rope, so we can lash some of these up here if we want.
Kind of use the palmettos themselves for arched them over, built the top on there, but pull it to tie the I guess the leaves on to tie it. So use all their twine and I need it somewhere else.
I think we're gonna do good. We're gonna have a party tonight. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. It's like a retreat, not a survival mode. I'm scared. We're gonna have fun. This will be a party.
Yeah,
You know.
sounds like you're giving direction for.
I know.
Whatever works. Won't forget it that way, right?
For a Hollywood.
They are absolutely committed to this. And they want to do it with the few stuff as possible. So they're saving their bug spray as just plain B.
Make lounge chairs here before too long.
There, see, that'll work out good on that one.
It's going good. It's going good. Learning a lot. It's going a lot better than I expected.
We have this lovely shelter built, and we have this beautiful fire.
Oh, look, guys, I got
Just try it one time around.
It's our wonderful abode. It has 4 walls and a little hole to get in. 3 walls. And we hope the animals will knock before they come in.
I think our team did great. We were able to get the condo built and the fire built pretty quickly with the resources available to us.
Well, building a fire was difficult. We had to sit there and blow for quite a long time with not much success. But the board is not bad.
I think everybody did great. We're probably fixing to see how the shelters did because it's fixing to storm.